Hello friends, welcome to our new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make lavender flowers. So the materials we require are a green color square paper for the stem and some rectangular thin sheets for making the flowers, and a pair of scissors and some glue. So let's start off. Let's take a rectangular sheet of about 18 centimeters and 5 centimeters and fold it into half, and let's cut about 2 centimeters inwards, 2 or 1. Make sure not to make them too thick. So let's put this aside for now. I'm taking this green colored paper and I'm going to roll it. So let's take some glue and just stick it together. So let's start by gluing a small part of this paper to the stem. Glue this. I'm gluing it a little below so this stays above and it covers the green part of the stem. We stuck the petals to the stem. So let's just go around it. Keep bringing it a bit lower from the first circle you went through it. And let's take some glue and stick the other end. And here we go, we're done with making the lavender flowers. You can open these papers to make them look like small flowerlets. And here we are. So if you liked the video, please subscribe, share, comment and give it a big thumbs up. Be creative and thank you for watching.